destiny.
Ooh. Now, a design rule for the family room where there are serious amounts of zones to be considered. It's a very, very interesting thing, but it's all about comfort. When you think about it, all of us want a little bit of sanctuary in our homes, somewhere we can snuggle down, cuddle down, spend quality time with our low-quality families, and that's best done in a bit of a burrow. So think about keeping colours darker and richer. Think about indulging the textures. Soft satins, velvets, even slinky leathers all give that sense of enclosure. And then start working out where everybody is going to conduct their little bits and pieces. Granny, auntie, uncle, the kid, all sprinkled around. What about curtains? Not only do they look sensational, they're great for the acoustics, they're also terribly green because they act as insulation, keeping your air conditioning bills way down because they keep the cool air in and keep the hot air out. That, to me, is the perfect family room. But let's return to the competition and find out whether our contestants are still playing Happy Families or has there been a bit of a design divorce.